Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYSD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider that essentially before today, the price was not doing much. It was down around here. And then all of a sudden today, the price is all the way up there, especially on a 000 stock. And this one did trade over 1 billion shares. So there's quite a bit of interest, and the bulls did show that the price can move. And like I said, any rational person's going to acknowledge that. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts and a little common sense, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0004. Why is 0004 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0004. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have the overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. A truly strong move is going to make progress forward, and in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying, quote-unquote, make progress as 0004. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, right now that seems to be right up there at 0008. I do realize the price did technically once get up above that area, but that was only once. But there's 3 other data points right here at 0008. So in my mind, that's more so kind of that true area of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. And as long as the price can start building higher bases as time goes on, everything else will take care of itself. So great start to the week. Let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.